Two firefighters succumbed to injuries they sustained in a motor vehicle accident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Fire Brigade JFB has confirmed that two of its firefighters died after they sustained injuries in a two-vehicle crash along the Laughlin Main Road in St. Anne's on Monday night. The deceased has been identified as Stephen Walters and Alex Williams, who were both assigned to the Ocho fire station. According to reports reaching Links 007 TV News, is that members of a St. Anne's Fire Department responded to a crash in the vicinity of the Laughlin Main Road about 10:12 p.m. A 2014 Toyota Corolla Altis and a 2015 Toyota Axio were involved in an accident, according to a Facebook post. On the arrival of the fire department team, the two persons involved in the crash was extricated from one of the vehicles and sent to the hospital, where they were pronounced dead. The Jamaica Fire Brigade has identified two of the deceased as Walters and Williams. The police has confirmed the crash but has not issued a full statement in relation to what they believe caused the crash. A number of individuals have took to social media to express shock at the untimely passing of the two firefighters, and we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family and friends. We'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.